Hey, it's Sarah with Loaves and Dishes, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Copycat Chipotle Vinaigrette recipe. Be sure to subscribe to our channel. We put out videos 3 times a week. So if you have a blender, in your blender you're going to add a half cup of red wine vinegar and 1.5 tablespoons of water. And if you don't have a blender or a food processor or something like that you want to use, just a bowl will be fine. Then you're going to add a 1/4 cup of honey and a tablespoon of salt. And then 1 tablespoon of adobo. And then you're going to turn that on if you're using a blender, and then you're going to slowly add 2 cups of oil. If you're not using a blender and you're just using a whisk, you want to give that a quick whisk, and then you want to slowly drizzle in your oil while you're whisking. What this is doing, this is emulsifying the mixture, and it's going to make it so that it really blends together. If you don't do it in a blender, it will likely break apart pretty quickly. It's still going to break apart even if you do it in a blender. It'll just take longer, and it's fine if it breaks apart. You just mix it back up. But then when that's done, you want to add some pepper and some oregano and give that a quick mix. You don't want to blend the pepper and the oregano because then you'll break up those pieces. So you do want to wait until the end to put those in. But that's it. If you want to see more recipes, be sure to follow Loaves and Dishes, and thanks for watching.